welcome back to another fresh episode of Zen Vlogs, and I'm here again with a new episode. And today I'm going to show you the WG in Germany, how the rooms looks like here in Germany, and of course, the Studentenwerk has facilitated a lot of students here with a lot of facilities in very affordable price. So today let's visit my room. And of course, at the end of the vlog, I'm going to tell you the price of my WG, the rent I'm paying here, and all the stuff like that, how the works are going here in the Studentenwerk WG in Karlsruhe. So I request you to stick on the video till the end, and I hope you enjoy that. So here are the post boxes of the students where we received the letters. There's nothing. So this is the first view of my building. Here you can see my name, Zainul Abidin Zahid. So this is the main hallway of my Studentenwerk, and this is my room. So you can see it's a spacious room with 2 windows. I hope it's not very messy. So this is my wardrobe. Let's see. I have placed here my clothing and shoes, and I hope it's enough for one student. So next is the common furniture is provided by the Studentenwerk, like the table, the common study table, that heater is provided, and it's included in the bill, and the Wi-Fi also. Apart from that, this is my table. I bought it for myself, but the bed is included by the Studentenwerk, and I think it's enough, perfect for me. And finally, my Pakistani flag. By the way guys, this is my window, and let me just turn the curtains. So look at that. Impressive, right? But it's okay, not so special. And by the way, the windows in Germany are different as compared to Asian countries. So it just stands like this, so you don't have to worry about it. It's not broken, right? So guys, I am in the basement right now. This is the parking area. This is my bike, and I was just repairing it because the tire was broken. Let's see how it works. So this is the washing area. There are 3 washing machines and 2 dryers. I think enough for students. And every time I came here, I have to pay on this machine using my Studentenwerk card. And here you can let your clothes dry if you don't want to use dryer. So it's a so-called gym provided by the Studentenwerk for free, and you can see how free gyms looks like. So this is our kitchen, and here we have every essential that a student need in a kitchen, like the cabinets, the machinery, the oven. And here the cabinets are divided by every student in the dormitory. So we have an oven and 2 fridges along with essential chairs. So this is our plan to clean the bathroom and the kitchen. So every student has to clean on his or her right turn. So this was the short vlog that I have presented to you, and first of all, we'll talk about the value for money about this student work. So my rent typically is 261 euros per month, and it is a warm rent, not a cold rent. Here's a difference. So warm rent is the rent in which the utilities, basically the uh, electricity, the water, the gas, it's included in the bill. But in the cold rent, it's not included in the bill. So make sure if you're going to do a contract with the landlord, you have to check if the rent is warm rent or cold rent. So as the Studentenwerk operates usually with the warm rent, so I don't have to pay any other utilities like gas, electricity, and so on. And Wi-Fi is also included in the bill. So I just have to pay 261 euros per month, and I think it's pretty economical for me. So coming to the next point, which is how to apply to the Studentenwerk. So it's pretty simple. You can just go to the Google. You can just type Studentenwerk and the city name in the city which you're living in, and in the city where your university is. Then you can just type the city name. Like I'm in Karlsruhe, so I typed Studentenwerk Karlsruhe. So then you will find the website, the official website of the Studentenwerk, and then you can just apply for the application form. But the usually thing is that the application period takes about 2 to 3 months. Usually for the Studentenwerk, it can be less, it can be more, depending upon the situation, depending upon the waiting time. But in my case, it was like 2 to 3 months. I got an offer by the Studentenwerk, and before that, I was in the private dormitory. It was a little bit expensive. You can say the private dormitory cost like from 400 euros to 600 euros, depending upon the situations. So also for the newcomers who are going to come to Germany or who are deciding to come to Germany, so this is how Studentenwerk operates, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So we'll meet in the next vlog. So till then, I have to go. Bye bye. Ciao.